man is a traditional Ute, there's so many things that you have to follow. You know, the woman has a role as being a traditional Ute woman. Man has a role as well. And my role is to have a family, have children, a wife. And I didn't fit into that because, you know, how do you do that? You know, I know it's different. A lot of anger was inside me. You know, there was times where I'd actually, because we'd go to church on Sunday, and you know, Catholics, as I was taught, you know, that's a sin to be gay. I used to always question, and I'd ask the Creator, why am I like this? How come I have these feelings? All those years growing up, you know, as a child to a teen, I used to struggle with, you know, we pray to Him, we offer prayers. Why am I having to deal with this and not getting an answer to help me understand who I was? I'd go to powwows, I'd be in my regalia as a male dancing. And there were times where I would be out there dancing and I'd watch the females as they danced. It was comforting to watch them do it. Deep down, I think inside I wanted to do that too, but I was taught to be a strong youth male. My grandfather would take me to powwows with him, and we'd gone up to Fort Hall, Idaho, with the Shoshone-Bannock Festival. I have to say, I was probably about maybe 11 or 12. They had announced that they were going to do a Tiny Tots contest. They said that the boys had to wear a shawl and dance fancy. Nowadays they call it a switch dance at powwows, where the guys dress up as women, the women dress up as men, and they dance. While back then it was a Tiny Tots. I was excited. Deep down inside, I'm like, I want to do this because this is, you know, I've always wanted to dance at a powwow in the shawl. And my cousin's cousin gave me her shawl. They're like, go, Edward, go. So I went out there dancing, you know, like I was fancy dancing, and I felt good. It felt like identifying, I don't want to say gay, but just the feminine side, the female side. I felt good inside.